Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanted to show you my workflow and how I get a photo from Lightroom into Instagram. So let's head over into Lightroom. So the first thing you want to do is edit the photo that you want to post to Instagram. I've got this edit of a photo. Notice I've cropped this in a square crop. What we need to do now is create an export preset for Instagram. So come up to the File menu and come down to the Export item and click that. This will open up the Export dialog. Notice I've already got these three presets that I make use of a lot, but let's go and set one up from scratch just so you can see the process. So we'll base this new preset on this 4-email hard drive preset, and we'll go and make some changes here. The first thing we'll do is we'll keep the width and height the same because we want a square crop, but we'll increase the dimensions here to give us a bit more resolution when we do the upload. And for example, we can specify a different resolution. So we'll say 240 pixels per inch. If we want to, we can also apply some sharpening automatically. So for example, a standard amount of screen sharpening. We're going to export in JPEG here, but I'm going to increase the quality to 100 just to give us the best upload that we can get into Instagram. In the file naming section here, I'm just leaving this unchecked so we're not automatically renaming files. And in this section here, depending on how you're getting your photo onto your phone, you want to choose different things. So for example, if you're on a Mac, you could export this to a folder and then use AirDrop to get the photo to your phone. Or you could also make use of a cloud service such as Dropbox or OneDrive. So here I'm on a PC, so I can't make use of AirDrop. What I'm going to do is in the Export to dropdown, I'm going to choose specific folder, and this will automatically export the file to the same folder every time. Notice here I'm setting this to OneDrive Pictures IG. Because I've got OneDrive running on my iPhone, once OneDrive syncs, I can download the file on my phone and then post it to Instagram. And that's why the path here is to OneDrive. I've also created this subfolder IG just to keep things a bit more tidy. So there's the settings that we want to include in our preset. What we can do now is come down here and click the Add button and give the preset a name. You can call this anything you want. I'm going to call it Insta11 and hit Create. And now on the left here, we can see we've got this new preset. And if we click on some of these other presets and then head back to our Insta11 preset, notice it's remembered all of the changes. So now we've set up a preset, we could either just click the Export button here. I'm just going to click Cancel instead. And to make things even quicker, because we've got a preset now, we can just right click on the photo, come down to Export, and notice here we've got our user presets. I can now click Insta11, that will automatically apply the preset settings to the export. And notice it opens up the OneDrive folder here, OneDrive Pictures IG. And now we've got the photo that was in Lightroom in OneDrive. I can now head over to my phone, open up the OneDrive app, head into the Pictures IG folder here. Notice here we've got the photo that we just exported. We can tap these three buttons and choose download. That'll download it to photos on my phone. We can then head into Instagram, hit the add button, and notice now we've got the photo showing up and we can go and post it. So that's my workflow and how I get a photo from Lightroom into Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe for future tutorials, fast tip Fridays and vlogs. See ya.